Here's how to check if your PC is outputting 4K or 1080p. So the first thing that you're going to do is to right click on your desktop and then click on the display settings. Afterwards, scroll down to the display settings option or select the main display that you wanted to check how it outputting could be and then go to display resolution. Once you see the display resolution, as you can see, it is under 3840 times 160. So this means that it is outputting 4K. You can also have a chance to do it on 1080p. Now, for you to be able to actually enjoy the feature of outputting 40K is you have to do 200% of recommended options on the scale. And then go ahead and select once again the display that you wanted to have that kind of resolution.